Can the Kotak yearly defined guaranteed earnings plan truly provide the predictable income it promises, or is it just another guaranteed savings plan with limited wealth building potential? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. So hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a non-participating, non-linked life insurance individual savings product, and some of the key features of the policy are: it gives you guaranteed benefits with two plan options, and it also gives you life insurance coverage, and you have the option to receive an insta cashback of up to 50% of the annualized premium at policy issuance, and there is guaranteed regular income starting as early as the 13th month of the policy, and you have flexibility to receive guaranteed income for up to 40 years, and you can choose to either receive the guaranteed income as regular cash payout or allow it to accumulate and withdraw it later. There is complimentary value added health and wellness services as well, and there are tax benefits available. So these are some of the key features of the policy. Now let us take a look at the advantages. So you have the option to accumulate up to 100% of the guaranteed income under either plan option and withdraw it whenever required, and built-in health and wellness management services to support your overall well-being is an advantage, and you have the opportunity to enhance protection through optional rider benefits. You have loan facility available for up to 80% of the policy's surrender value as well. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages as well, like the sum assured under the plan may not be sufficient to provide adequate financial protection, and although the plan offers guaranteed benefits, the overall returns are relatively modest, and they may not be attractive from a long-term investment perspective, and you get to receive annual income payouts which can reduce the likelihood of disciplined reinvestment, potentially leading to higher discretionary spending, and you also get to choose to receive guaranteed income as early as the end of the first policy year, which limits your power of compounding, which can also significantly reduce long-term wealth creation. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis. So we are going to calculate the internal rate of return of this policy based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. Here, let us assume that a 35-year-old male has opted for a plan option 2 yearly income, which pays an annual premium of 1 lakh rupees for 10 years. So the policy provides you with a sum assured of 11 lakhs with a 31-year policy term, and the policy holder receives a guaranteed annual income of 33,070 rupees from the end of the first policy year until maturity, along with a guaranteed maturity benefit of 10 lakhs at the end of the policy term. So based on these cash flows, the IRR is approximately 4.31% per annum as per the policy's maturity calculator. An annual return of 4.31% is relatively modest, especially for a long-term commitment spanning over 3 decades. So returns at this level are comparable to or even lower than several conventional fixed income alternatives, resulting in a significant opportunity cost over time. So a major reason for the lower return is the yearly commencement of income payouts. Since a portion of the invested capital is returned from the end of the very first policy year, the money does not remain invested long enough to benefit from long-term compounding. So this substantially limits the plan's wealth creation potential. So as this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to compare this policy returns with other alternative strategies. So in which we are going to invest in insurance and investments separately instead of combining it under a single policy. So let us see whether that can give us better results. So here for life cover purpose, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy. So for a fair comparison, we have taken up similar parameters from the previous example for a much more fair comparison. So this is a more suitable choice because it provides you with substantially higher life cover at a much lower premium, which allows your remaining savings to be invested according to your financial goals and risk appetite. So conservative investor may consider debt instruments such as PPF, while long-term investors with a high risk tolerance can allocate to diversified equity mutual mutual funds. So let us consider the same example. So a pure term policy will provide you with a sum assured of 11 lakh, which costs approximately 14,200 rupees per year for a 31-year policy term with a 10-year premium payment term. If you compare this with Kotak policy, the annual premium was 1 lakh. So this leaves us with 85,800 rupees available for investment during the premium paying period. So to ensure a fair comparison, we have guaranteed annual income of 33,070 rupees received under Kotak policy. Here is treated as the annual cash flow available to the investor. So therefore, under this alternative strategy, only the remaining 52,730 rupees is invested each year in the equity mutual fund, which will result in comparable annual cash flows. So here, investing these amounts in a diversified equity mutual fund result in an estimated corpus of 11.39 lakhs at the end of 10 years. So after accounting for capital gains tax, the post-tax corpus of approximately 10.82 lakhs can be shifted to a debt instrument earning 7% annually. The corpus can then be used to generate annual withdrawals, which are comparable to the plan's guaranteed income while preserving capital for a final maturity value. If you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated tax for equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So under this strategy, the projected corpus at the end of the policy term grows to approximately 27.37 lakhs, which is nearly 3 times the maturity benefit offered by the Kotak plan. So in addition to the potential for higher wealth creation, this approach provides you with significantly greater liquidity, flexibility, and control over your investments. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Kotak H plan worth it or not? So this policy offers you with two variants with guaranteed income and maturity benefits, providing predictable cash flows that are unaffected by market fluctuations. It also allows policyholders to defer and accumulate payouts for future use. However, guaranteed benefits alone do not ensure the successful achievement of long-term financial goals. A commitment spanning 30 to 40 years should ideally generate returns that outpace inflation. In this plan, the relatively modest return potential limits long-term corpus growth, making it difficult to meet rising future expenses. So the yearly commencement of survival benefits further reduces the power of compounding. While the life cover may not be sufficient to adequately protect a family's long-term financial needs, and it also has a high agent commission. A more effective approach is to separate insurance from investment. A pure term life insurance policy can provide you with adequate financial protection at a significantly lower cost, while the savings can be invested in a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and investment horizon. So this strategy offers you with greater flexibility, higher wealth creation potential, and better alignment with long-term financial goals. So before investing in any long-term financial product, evaluate not just the guaranteed offers but also its ability to generate inflation-beating returns, which provide you with adequate protection and support your life goals.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.